Hi guys, so today I wanted to show you how to clean up really large values or numbers in Excel. So I've got all of these high thousand numbers and I want them to appear as 12K or 11K instead of having all these digits at the end, which makes it look slightly unwieldy. So what I would do is highlight all of them, right click, go into format cells, and then go into the custom option at the bottom there. And then in the type box, I would type in hash. So what you have to remember in custom formatting is that hash represents a whole number. And comma represents a thousand separator. So if I type in hash comma, 12,000 would appear as 12. And this I want a text to appear alongside it, so you would put that text in between quote marks. So here I want a K to appear after the 12, so 12K. You can see how it appear in the sample box above. Click OK, you can see that it's applied to all the numbers. In this example, I want all of that millions to appear as 487.12, so two decimal places and then an M at the end. So again, right click and click on format cells and go into the custom option. Sometimes Excel automatically fills these in. You can just remove that and type in a hash for the whole number, then one decimal places, so decimal, and then two decimal places, so it would be two hashes. And you want, this time it's in millions, so you want to take out the last 2000 separators, so two commas, and I want an M alongside, so M in between quote marks. um, Click OK, and there you go, it's applied that. The really useful thing is that Excel would still recognize that as whole values. So if you click on that, for example, you can see in the value box above, it's showing as a full 12,000. And if I was to use that as a dependent in a formula, for example, let's say I would type in that cell times 3, it would multiply that 12,000 by 3. But it looks a lot cleaner, especially when you're presenting information to others. Hope that helps.